Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. So I'm just dusting up my eyebrows with my setting powder and I am brushing it up with a spoolie, after which I am going ahead with my Davis pencil in number 18 to draw the outlines of the brows. I am then filling it in with hair-like strokes. To highlight my brows, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I am blending it in with a beauty sponge using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base. I am setting the concealer with the Kleancolor Airy Mineral loose powder. The names of products I use will be listed in the description box below. Please do check it out. For my eyeshadow, I'm going into this Bestie Gam palette and I'm taking this bright orange shade and I'm using it as my transition color. I'm going into this Ministar powder palette and I'm taking this brown shade and I'm blending it in with the orange shade I previously used. For my crease, I am using the benign clown white and I'm just using it to cut my crease. Going back into the same palette, I am taking this shimmery orange shade and I'm applying it on my crease. I am dabbing it in. I'm going into this orange shade and I'm using it at the outer corners of my eye. I'm just packing it into that area and I'm also trying to blend it at the same time. For the inner corners of my eyes, I am using this green shimmery shade to open my eyes a little bit. To line my lids, I am using this dynamic pen liner. I went off camera to fix my lashes and I am lining my waterline with the Naked Gel Liner. I'm cleaning my face with the wipes, and for my primer I am using the Milk of Magnesia primer. This primer is really good for oily skin, but I must say that it is not the best for your skin because if you use it constantly, it begins to cause breakage in your skin. So I just try to use it once in a while. For my foundation, I'm using the Flawless Ivy foundation in the shade Ebony. For my highlights, I am using the Zaron Cosmetics concealer in medium, and I am mixing it in with the same Zaron Cosmetics concealer in earth. And I am just highlighting areas where the sun would normally hit my face. And if you notice, I am pushing it in. I'm not just rubbing it on my face. I'm trying to push it in. To set my highlights, I am using the Johnson's baby powder. For my contour, I'm going into the same Ministar powder palette, and I am just contouring my cheekbone and my forehead. And also my nose. I am just dusting off the excess powder from my face with just my brush. I didn't use any product. I'm just going right back to my eyes, and I'm repeating the same colors I used on my crease under my eyes. To set my entire face, I'm using the Avour Cosmetics powder in 025. For my blush, I don't know the name of this blush actually, but I'm just applying my blush. I am using the Flawless Ivy mist to set my face. I'm going into this Ewaronke highlighting palette, and I'm using it to highlight my cheekbone, my brow bone, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my forehead. For my lip liner, I'm using the Jordana Cosmetics lip liner in Brown Rage, and I'm going ahead to apply this Smashbox lipstick, and I went ahead to put a lip gloss off camera, and I'm just blending everything in with my powder. And this is the final look, guys. If you enjoyed this video and learned one or two things, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave your thoughts in the comment section, and also do not forget to subscribe if you have not. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.